Everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sum a column in Excel. So first open an Excel sheet and put your cursor in that box you want to get your value. So and then put the sum formula. What you have to type is equals to sum and put a first bracket and select the values and then put again the bracket and click on enter, and here you can see we have got the sum total of the values. So it's just so easy peasy, I know. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.